Please take a little time to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Thanks, and enjoy the video.
Well, you know, we've got haves and have-nots. CNBC talks about 100 tickers a day, but there's 100 stock tickers total, and they make up 80% of the trading volume. There's 12,000 public companies in the US. There's 4,000 or 5,000 on NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange. Most of them, the market has lost interest in, and they're competing against a Google or against Amazon or against a Microsoft or against an Apple. So if you're one of those mid-sized small companies and you're staring at these trillion-dollar, digital giants, and no one cares about you, then at some point after struggling like that for month after month, year after year, you start thinking it's kind of hopeless. And so the explosion in interest in Bitcoin treasury strategies, I think, comes because people are realizing, companies are realizing that there's hope for them. There's an opportunity. And it is by plugging into the next great digital transformation, right? The way that you actually get back on top, the way you start re-energizing a company and growing it, is by digitally transforming your balance sheet. And the companies who've done it earliest are having extraordinary success. Companies like Strategy, companies like MetaPlanet. And so as more and more companies embrace the Bitcoin standard, and as their stocks start to perform, and as their investors start to see success, the idea is spreading because, no one takes a company public wanting to be an also-ran or be roadkill for Amazon.
Why do so many companies resort to things like stock buybacks or acquiring other companies when they're deploying capital? Why not buy Bitcoin?
The conventional corporate finance playbook is cash is trash, and cash underperforms the S&P index. And so the S&P index is the cost of capital, and if you've got excess cash flow, then you need to return it to the investors so they can invest it and get that cost of capital or get the S&P return. And you either do it with a buyback or you do it with a dividend. I think the primary reason the market concluded that is because for 100 years, the Treasury reserve asset of every public company was short-dated Treasury bills. And they never had another Treasury asset. Your choices would be Treasury bills, gold, or Bitcoin.